即马现代人真爱饲宠物，讲这饲宠物会当甲伊做伴，袂输是伊厝内面的人共款，而且会甲伊记录翕相，甚至甲伊开一个陪葬鸭。伫咧德国呢，就有一个妈妈最近伫网络顶头熊熊穿起来，不过伊毋是饲猫仔狗仔哦，伊是饲鹿螺，而且伊这个鹿螺呢，甲手共款遐尔会大，这卖将一声就增加几落万人。
用手甲伊心爱的动物伴捧咧，甲伊放伫镜头头前。 这只甲手部变大的鹿螺是巴克利市的非洲大鹿螺。
The snail is good as a pet because if you once arranged the enclosure properly, you don't need to. It doesn't need so much attention, so you don't need to walk your snail, for example, or it's not loud. You know, they don't need attention.
巴克利住伫德国慕尼黑，有2个囡仔，不过即马伊上介受到关注的。 是伊厝内饲的动物伴，巴克利真介意鹿螺，先头起是想要伫网络顶分享伊的动物伴，想袂到真受网友的欢迎。因后生看伊可能有做网红的发展性，建议伊去抖音开口做，想袂到随着吸引万外人的关注。巴克利原底是学艺术的，嘛希望真做音乐家，想袂到因为鹿螺真做网络红人。 伊嘛开始做繁殖甲卖鹿螺生理，即马伊的仓库有饲差不多5000只无共品种的鹿螺，而且有的会当生到25公分长。
If you want the snail as a pet, you have to decide what kind of snail you want at first, and if you know that, then you're gonna buy a plastic box or a terrarium, an enclosure for the snail. You need soil, of course, stuff where they can hide in, bowl full of water so they can bath themselves. Food, of course.
巴克利三不五时嘛，伫网络顶分享鹿螺相关的知识，甲安怎饲的建议，希望互更较侪人认捌这个安静的动物伴，甲伊做伙进入鹿螺、恬静、阁优雅的世界。公司新闻，徐婉玲编译。